In this video, we are talking about HTML videos, how to add videos to your to your HTML, and then the video will be playing in the browser, or you can say how to add video to your browser or to your website. Okay, so to do that, you use a video element, video. Okay, so I have this video in my folder, in this my project folder. I copied it and pasted it in my project folder. Okay, so to access the video, just click dot slash, then it will restart the content of your folder. Then select what you want to select. I want to select this video. Okay, so I've now selected the video. So you can see now the video just covered the whole screen, which is not what I want. So I'll add width to it. I'll add width, add width, add width to it. Add width. Let me give it say something like a 400 pixels. I think it will be a little bit okay. Yeah, I think it makes sense now. Here's the video now. 400 pixels. But you can't play this video, can't play now until we add our control. Okay, let me just also add height so that the video will drop down small. Okay, let me say height. Let me give it a height of let's say 450 and see what it looks like. 450 pixels. See what it looks like. It actually dropped. Let me do 450 by 450 and see what it looks like. No, not this. 450 by 450 by width. Okay, then the height, let me do 500 and see what it looks like. Not 400, 500 instead. It's keep on bringing the video down. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do 450 by 450. 450 by 450. It's bringing it down. I want this. Okay, even if it's coming down. Okay, let me leave it like this for now because I want to add some stuff here. Okay, so to play this video, you have to add control. Just add control. Let me remove this height so that the video can actually fit in. Then just go up. I think this way looks more better. Okay, so to play the video, you have to add a controls. It will not add functionality for playing. You can see that once you add controls, you add play button, mute. You can mute, you can unmute, you can widen the screen, you can download, you can control the playback speed, you can play picture by picture. Okay, so if you play the video now, you can see the video is playing now. Okay, you can see. So what if we want to make the video an autoplay? Okay, maybe instead of, because sometimes when the visitors to your website, when you give them a link that will redirect them to the video in your in another page, so you might not really need them. Some of them will just enter, just once they visit, they just see the thumbnail of the video, just leave the video. But sometimes you might just add autoplay. Once they click the link, once they are redirected into the link, the video will start playing. Or you can also add it here. Once they come to your website, this video will start playing, but it will make, I don't think it's nice, it's good, because it will be a bit annoying. That's not how it looks like. Just visit somebody's website and the video start playing. No, so we have to maybe make the user, maybe the user want to watch the video, then when they click the link for the video, when they are now redirected to the video will now start playing automatically. Okay, so let me do something. I want to create another page and then give a clickable link here. When the user click the link, they will be redirected to the page where this video is. I will put this video in a particular page, so when the user click the link, they'll be redirected to the page. Once they open the page, the video will start playing. Okay, so let me clean this whole thing here. Then let me say let me write something. Let me use header one, hash one, hash one, and then say about let me use caps. Okay, let me say uh about my about my drawing video about my drawing video. Okay, okay, then this about my drawing video, let me just give it should I use style now? Let me leave it for now. And then what I want to do now, let me add a London was maybe after the user have read, assuming it's a real world, maybe after they have gone through the articles and they're interested in watching the video, they will now click the link that will redirect them to the page where the video is. Okay, let me do something. Let me use rolling. I'll put it inside paragraph. I'll put this rolling inside paragraph. Let me use um Lauren. Let me use let's say let me make the article a bit big. Let me use how many words now? Let me use something, let's say 150 words and see how it looks like. That's pretty okay, yeah. I think this makes sense. It looks nice. Okay. About my video. Okay. This is the write-up for the video. So the user will start. Okay, let me make about my drawing video. Let me add video here. Video. Okay. About my drawing video. So okay. Now let me add a link that in case if the user is interested in watching the video, they can now click the link. Let me use #3 to do that. Let me say #3. Inside #3 I will say let me put break. Let me br break. Okay, not this, to push it down. Okay, let me add more one. Add shift down. Let me add more. Okay, inside the header let me say if okay, let me say you can watch. Let me use let me use small letter, doesn't lowercase. You can watch this video. You can watch this video. You can watch this video. Okay, let me use span. Let me use span here for to make the video word. You can watch this video. Let me just make it a little bit big. Let me just let me say something like let me use span inside this. Let me save the video. Let me use uppercase. You can watch this video. Okay, so you can see this video now. Okay, and then inside this style, let me style this video, and I want this video to also be a link. Okay, so what I will now do is I will just let me just style it first. Let me style it first. In styling it, I will give it I want to give it a color, so it will giving it a color will not make sense. Let me give it a font size first. Let me give it a font so it will be a little bit big because the link will have its own color. So I want that link color so the user will know that that is a clickable link. Okay, let me say font size. Let me say 1 EM and see how it looks like. It's not visible. Let me use 3 EM. It's too much. Let me say 1.5 EM. Okay, I think it makes a little bit sense now. Okay, so now another thing I want to do, I want to make this in a link. So I will now add a element which is href. Let me say a, enter. Okay, then let me copy this one now. I will only cover the span. I don't need to cover the header 3. Okay, Control S, cut this one, put it at the back of span. Control V. No. Yeah, it's not a clickable link. It's not a clickable link. Okay, so and what I also want to do, I want to make sure that when the user click the link, it will not be there will be the link will open in a new page, so the user will not be redirected. As in, how do I say this now? When the user click this video link now, the new page will and then a new tab will open. So the user will watch the video in the new tab. After he watched the video in new tab, he can close the tab and come back to the, assume this is the website, and come back to the website. Okay, so to do that, I'll add the, let me add something inside this, it should be inside this href. Yeah, inside this href, let me say, that should be, what's this keyword for doing this new tab? What's that link? What's that keyword again for doing that? That should, yeah, I can remember now. Targets, that's targets, target blank. Okay, so what this thing will do, what this attribute will do is just when the use when this link is clicked, it will just open a new tab. When the user when the user click this video link, it will open a new tab, and the content of the link will be displayed in that new tab. When the user finish, he can close that tab and come back to our website. Okay, so we are done with what we want to do here. So let's create a new HTML, file where our video, as in we put our video inside that one. Okay, let's say let me use the word video dot html. Okay, video.html. Okay, inside this place, let's put our structure. Okay, inside this place, let's now do that our video element. Inside this video, we'll now add the source, which is the video here, name of the video. Okay, then what else would we have to do we need to add? We need to add width. Let's add the width of, let's say 450 pixels. Okay, then what else do we need to add? Let's say we need to add the controls. Then after adding the controls, let's add autoplay. Okay, so what we want now with this autoplay, now once the user click this video link, not sorry about it, once the user click this video link, the video will start playing automatically. So okay, let me add some text to it so it will look more, I like making it look more nice. Let me use head1. Head1. Sorry about that. Say let me use the test, and let me say uh say I am playing, and let me say I'm playing automatically automatically automatically. Okay, and it's supposed to be another L inside automatically. I am playing automatically. So this is what you will see. We are not seeing that, it's not previewing here because I've not linked it yet. So we have not clicked the video yet. So we'll now come back to our index.html, and then let me also, I'm missing something. I also want to add a link that will lead me back to our home page in case if I want to move back to my home page. Okay, let me add another href. Let me say not here but here. Inside this video, let me say anchor, enter. Let me want to redirect back to index.html, and then what the text that will be present there will be let's say, let me use the word back to home page. Let me say let me use block letter back to home page. Let me use this word. Okay, back to home page. Then let me use inside this place now, let me say enter. Let me say br. This thing, I know what I'm doing, but you will not see anything here. I'm just creating the video and the video page. You will not see it after creating it. Then I will now link it to video. If I click, you will not see what I'm doing. You will not see it now. Okay, just hold on with me. Okay, let me just do br. Let me just break the line, enter. Let me duplicate it. So okay, let me add more. Okay, after adding more now, let me say footer. Okay, this footer now, do I really need footer now? Do I really need this footer now? Okay, I think I really need it. I need it. Let me just use it. Let me put this this link inside it. Okay, let me just copy the link. Let me cut it. Control Z, Control X. Let me copy it and then Control V. Okay, so it's now inside my footer. Let me use add another thing, which is hash horizontal. So let me not proceed. I can do a lot of, I can keep on doing and doing, but let's just leave it like this. It's okay. We're not doing it again. So let's go back to let's close this. We have created our video page. Now back to our HTML, which is our home page, index.html. So we have to link this our video.html, which is where our video is, the page that the user will watch our video. So to do that, we now add the video. You can see that video.html, which is the page that we created. So let's see what will happen when we click the link. We have now linked it together. Let's click video. Watch. You can now watch this video. Let's click it and see what will happen. You can see. You can see that I'm playing automatically. You can see that it's just once you click, it's just once the page open, the video will start playing. And you know the reason why we create this is just because of this autoplay. That's why we created this page, so you can see how it works. So assuming that the user have, okay, let me just skip and see what this person is drawing. After watching the drawings, let me say, okay. You can also do full screen. If you do full screen, you can see this is the full screen from that same browser. You can see that. Let's see what the person is drawing. Okay. Can see, let me, okay. Just skip it and skip it. Oh, that's a nice tree. Okay, now let's reduce the size. Okay, let's assume that we have finished watching the video now. Okay, then we can now go back to our home page. You can see that this page loaded in a new tab. So it's not in our main page. Okay, so if we want to go back to our home page, we can just click back to home page. See, we are now back to our home page, but we are now in this tab. Okay, but if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to do it this way, you just close the tab, just close the tab, and you are back to the normal, the home page. Okay, video home page. But if you don't want to do this, so just close it, and you're back to home page. So this is about video, HTML video, how to add video to your browser or to your website. So the video will be playing in your browser on your website. So just note that don't add much don't overload your website with too much video, especially high quality video. Like this one is a high quality video, 1080p pixels, is a very high quality video. So if you add this video, many of them, it will take time for your website to load. Just note that. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.